Hi guys, today I'm going to show you 3 quick hairstyles for medium length hair. Hairstyle number 1 is an elegant 2-minute chignon. To start, pop the hair into a ponytail level with the top of the ears. Then we're going to use our fingers and gently loosen the ponytail by pulling the elastic down a little bit. Next we're going to pop a finger behind the elastic band and I'm going to make a hole going diagonally from the left hand side up towards the right hand side of the head. Pop a couple of fingers through that diagonal hole, grab the ponytail and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Next we're going to add a clear elastic band towards the end of the ponytail, but on the last turn only pull it part way through to create a small loop. And I'm just going to take hold of this loop and gently roll it up the length of the hair until we reach the left hand side at the nape of the neck. Use your hand to hold this to the head and then I'm simply going to pin it through the centre of the loop with a couple of bobby pins on either side. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, moving on to hairstyle number 2, I've got a really quick and easy messy curly bun. To start, pop the hair into a high ponytail. Next, add some wax spray all across the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then using your fingers, gently pinch and pull at the hair for more texture and volume. Now add a clear elastic band a few inches down the ponytail. And then grab onto each side and gently pull them outwards away from each other. Split the ends of the ponytail in half and then taking hold of that elastic band we're just going to roll it towards the head to create a loop and then secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Pinch and pull at that loop for more texture and volume. And starting on the left hand side with those tail ends I'm going to leave a little curl out and leave that hanging down. With the rest of the hair I'm going to sweep this over to the right hand side and then pin it directly underneath that first loop. Again, pinch and pull to match the texture. Now taking the rest of the hair, again I'm going to leave a curl out hanging down and with the remaining hair I'm gently going to twist this towards the head and bring it over to the left hand side. Again, secure to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And the third and final hairstyle is this easy crisscross braided bun. First, section out the crown area and all I'm going to do is split this into 3 and do a simple 3-strand braid. I'm only going to braid this for a few inches and then tie it off with a clear elastic band. Next, I'm going to add some wax spray across the top of the head. I'll pop everything I'm using in the description below. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair on the top of the head and around the sides for a little bit of volume and texture. Next, I'm going to take the hair from the left hand side, so everything just behind the ears forward. Take the same size section on the right hand side. Bring them together at the back of the head, slightly to the right hand side and secure with an elastic band. Next, take a chunk of hair from the right hand side. Again, take the same size section from the left. Bring these together at the back of the head, but this time we're going to secure them slightly over to the left hand side. Just tie them together with another elastic band. Braid the remaining hair into a simple 3-strand braid, securing it with an elastic at the end. Then use your fingers and gently pinch and pull each stitch of the braid to give it more volume. Take the end of the braid and then we're going to start rolling it up itself until it reaches the nape of the neck. Then just secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite hairstyle in the comment section below.